Today, I'll walk you through how to add a blog in Elementor, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create a blog page so you can share your thoughts and ideas with the world. Let's get started. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. This is the control center for your website. Think of it as the cockpit of an airplane where all the important decisions are made. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the Pages section on the left-hand menu. Click on Add New to create a new page for your blog. This is like opening a blank canvas where you can express your creativity. Now it's time to add a title to your new page. After entering your title, click on the button that says Edit with Elementor. This will take you to the Elementor interface, which is user-friendly and intuitive. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The core functions remain the same. Once you're in Elementor, the next step is to add an image to your blog post. Look for the image widget in the Elementor panel. Drag and drop it onto your page. This image will serve as a captivating visual that draws your readers in, just like a book cover that piques your interest. After placing the image widget, click on Select Image. This will open your media library where you can choose an image that fits your blog's theme. Remember, visuals are essential for engaging your audience, so pick something that resonates with your content. Once you've selected your image, click on Insert into Post. This action will embed the image into your blog post, making it visually appealing. Next, you'll want to add some text to your blog. Locate the Text Editor widget in the Elementor panel and drag it below your image. Here, you can share your thoughts, stories, or insights. Think of it as the heart of your blog where your voice comes alive. Finally, once you're satisfied with your content, it's time to publish your blog. Click on the Publish button at the bottom of the Elementor panel. This is the moment when your thoughts go live for the world to see, akin to sending a message in a bottle into the ocean. And there you have it, you've successfully added a blog in Elementor. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different layouts and styles. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.